Thokozani ngiyabingelela kini nonke, thokozani bogogo, thokozani bomkhulu. So I have a video here for you guys. Please get the following for me: esicitho oil, the one that I'm holding, and then you are going to get Vimbela, the red one. Yes, the red Vimbela, and then you're gonna get holy ash. So inside that container, holy ash yami. And then what you are going to do is that uthola ne container lengani where you are going to put Vimbela kancane kuyo le container. Get a clear container. I prefer a small container. So this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna take a bit of Vimbela and then you put it inside your container. And then when you are done putting it inside the container, you are going to take the esicitho oil. You're going to take the esicitho oil and you open it and then you pour it inside the container where you have put inside the Vimbela, the amount of Vimbela that you want. And after that, after pouring the esicitho oil, you are going to take a bit of holy ash. You're gonna measure everything accordingly to the amount of Vimbela that you've placed inside your container. So ufake kancane holy ash yakho inside the Vimbela and esicitho oil. Uyifake. After uqedile kuyifaka, you are going to mix everything together. As you can see what I am doing there. Uyayimixe. After mixing everything, you're gonna apply this mixture on your feet, your hands, your body, depending on your problems, because everything. So I prefer that you use this every single day. Now you're 17, you've urabile tandla takho, urabile tinyawo takho, a bit on your face, kuze bantu bakhona ukukuthanza, cause nabafaka esicitho bantu abakuthanzi nje unyanywa bantu. Makhosi.